Hello, I'm Alpha Dumbia from Sierra Leone. I'm applying for the Purpose Art Grant, specifically looking at environmental protection. Looking at Freetown, Freetown is environmentally challenged. We are faced with floods and mudslides. More notably, the one that took place in 2017, the mudslide that took place in 2017 that claims the lives of 2,000 Freetonians. So with this Purpose Art Grant, I believe as a young person and the organization I'm working with, I think we can undertake reforestation activities, more notably in the watershed area at the Buma Dam, so that will improve tree cover. And again, to sustain this particular project, we are going to train 250 young people on environmental management and forest conservation so that we can sustain this particular project.